GCSE 2024 Week 2 Ultimate Slander Teacher Edition. Kareem and his Jards. How did you all find the GCSE maths paper? Foundation maths walking out the exam after answering what an odd number is. Give an actual questions 1 to 18. And wow, okay. Actually, 1 litre of paint covers. Yeah. How did you all find it? Seems like it was quite mixed. You've got your foundation themes and your higher tier maths. The Undertaker. X plus Y equals 8. The equation sheet that's sitting there while I don't use it and struggle terribly. Okay, interesting. Edexcel students trying to figure out if they got 5 marks out of 40. Me saying goodbye to grade 9 in maths. What Kareem is doing with his jars. Okay, some interesting reactions or some comments. How did you all find it? Let me know in the comment section. The GCSE maths. Yeah, how did you all find it? Let me know in the comment section. And how are you feeling for paper 2? And this is Edexcel. You shall not pass. Okay, so interesting memes. You always come across some funny memes on YouTube and TikTok. So this was just a teacher reaction. I hope it went well. Best of luck for your upcoming exams. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more. Thank you.